Should I buy or sell Alibaba? The report for Alibaba was first published on our website Wednesday, January 4, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since December 16, 2022, our system ranks Alibaba as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.000. During this period the stock has outperformed our expectations with an gain 19.74% since we first told you to buy Alibaba 12 days ago. This is an average return of 1.64% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Alibaba, our last headline reads, Alibaba stock price up more than 12.98% on Wednesday. The Alibaba stock price gained 12.98% on the last trading day, Wednesday, January 4, 2023, rising from $91.98 to $103.92. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 7.79% from a day low at $96.97 to a day high of $104.52. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 19.23% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 26 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 53 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $5.50 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $138.70, and the lowest price was $58.01. Right now the price is 25.08%, or $34.78, below 52-week high and 67.46%. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and strong rising trend below all-time high October 27, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $107.53 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 27.41% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -0.158% and 31.83%. The 12-month trend indicates a -29.52% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -71.28% and -31.37%. This equals a price between $29.84 and $71.32 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, November 18, 2022, Citigroup set price target to 144. On Friday, November 18, 2022, Truist Securities set price target to 120. On Friday, November 18, 2022, Benchmark set price target to 180. On Friday, November 18, 2022, HSBC set price target to 124. On Friday, November 18, 2022, Mizuho set price target to 155. From analysts, Alibaba stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Alibaba. The Alibaba stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $90.83 and $85.87. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, October 24, 2022, and so far it has risen 64.56%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 50 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Alibaba. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $87.56 and $83.81. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Alibaba finds support just below today's level at $87.56. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $83.81 and $79.44. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $7.55 between high and low, or 7.79%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 4.25%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Alibaba. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Alibaba currently has a price-earning ratio of 127.75. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Alibaba finds first level of support at $87.56, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Alibaba is buy. Our recommended stop loss is $100.12, minus 3.66%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 49 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a buy? Alibaba holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 5th, we expect Alibaba to open down minus $2.12 and start trading at $101.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to